Okay, so here we are looking at the engine of the mighty Dolomite, 1.3 litre Triumph overhead valve unit. I've just taken the rocker cover off, just for a little nosy, and I've noticed that while that rocker moves, even though there's no spring or anything. I'm not really sure that's supposed to do that. That could be a tolerance issue. Is that these all move quite nice and freely. That one doesn't. But this one does not. And you can move it with use of a screwdriver, but it's so stuck that the spring can't force it back into position. I can't even move it by hand. I've got to sort of try it back. And I have vague memories of this being the case when I installed this rocket shaft. I'm not sure why, if that rocker is perhaps burred, or the shaft is marked so it won't allow free movement, but I'm not sure what's going on there. It doesn't seem to have any massively major effect. Go. Let's turn over the engine. Lovely.